So the big circle here is the mind, and the small circle is the body. And these five antennas are five senses: hear, smell, see, taste, touch. These are the antennas that connect us to the outside world. We hear, smell, see, taste, touch. That's how we're connected to the world. And the top part of the mind is the conscious mind. That's how we use our five senses and we think consciously. The bottom part is the subconscious mind. That's where the paradigm is. Remember, I was teaching you guys the paradigm programming from childhood, from our genetic, from our upbringing, our environment when we were a kid. That program, including self-image, how you believe about yourself, it's deep in your subconscious mind. That's why it doesn't matter how much you read books, how much you watch YouTube videos, how much knowledge you gather. If you don't change the paradigm and the programming here, nothing is going to change, because the subconscious and the paradigm here is what dictates what actions you take. You take actions based on your subconscious belief, not based on the things that you consciously know. If you believe life is hard, if you believe business is hard, if you believe making money is hard, that's how you're going to act in this world based on your belief system. And that's going to be the kind of result that you're going to get. Everything is going to be hard.